Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here on Black Monday, Feb 24. Look, first of all, members, I've got my strategy session tonight's about 40 minutes long. It's much longer than usual, and a lot of it, the first part, maybe even the first half or so, is just kind of coaching you through the market and giving you some, I think what I'm hoping to do is give you some good trading philosophy and some good tactics and mental, psychological things that will help you avoid doing stupid stuff in a market like this and listening to stupid people. There's a lot of stupid stuff to do, and good Lord, there's a lot of stupid people to listen to, and you know where to find them. We'll just put it that way. So I haven't been doing much today. I really didn't, and one thing I mentioned in our premium video was knowing what to do is one thing, but actually being able to execute it is another. And there was a lot of stuff to be done first thing at the open because it was so wild. But my orders weren't getting filled. I'm on Thinkorswim, and nothing against them because I know it's happened with other brokers too. But when it's a real fast market, your market, you don't even get confirmation that your market order's filled for a while. And then you're wondering, like, well, did it go through? Crap. Maybe I need to do another one. Maybe I need to do another one. Or you're hitting limit orders and you keep raising your limit because you're not getting your price and you're not getting confirmation and you're trying to cancel it. Then you're trying to, no, I don't want to cancel it. I want to cancel it and replace it. And doing all this kind of stuff, and you're not getting any fills, and then the next thing you know, you get ding, 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 when the market slowed down, and it turns out, you own enough shares to fill your portfolio 3 times over, all at the wrong price. The bottom line is, a lot of times on days like this, less is best. You just have to say, all right, all the high frequency trader guys are going to cream me if I try to wade in there. Although it's really not the high frequency guys. It's just you creaming yourself because you're not working with the best tools at a time that requires the best tools. If you could, this would be a great day. It wouldn't make any money, but it'd be a great day to paper trade. To where you're saying like, okay, well, I would buy there. Oh, I would sell there. But again, being able to do it is a totally different world. At least that's what I experienced this morning. Maybe you experienced something different, but that's what I experienced. I couldn't, first 15 minutes or so, I couldn't get confirmation of a fill on anything. So that's today. Let's look at tomorrow. One thing you might want to look at is Progyny. Okay, I like this company. Good fundamentals. You see where it opened up here. It hadn't been trading for very long, and it doesn't hit the 50-day moving average much. Last time it did, well, the 50-day moving average has only been in effect since about January 7th or 8th, something like that. But it came back here and it rebounded and gave us a really, really nice move. Well, now it's a little bit steeper. You know what happened today. But the low of the day was 28.05. So what you can do if you like this type of trade, place a stop at like 27.95. Just a little bit below today's intraday low. And you don't want to put it right on the even number. I'll sell if it hits 28. No, I mean, frankly, your chances would be better if you said 27.95. But set your stop at 27.95 and then just kind of look for a little bit of a rebound here. I mean, that's all I'm looking for Progyny right now. I would like to kind of build a position on this because I like the stock and I think it ultimately goes higher. But building a position starts with one little pilot buy. And so I think that's where we start on this one tomorrow. If it falls down here, then thank the good Lord, we only took a small position. If it runs up here, well, thank the good Lord, at least we bought some stock, okay? That's the way I'm trading right now. Okay, that's it. I'll see you guys in the forum tomorrow.